so you break the neck like so.
When you say break the neck, Shay, that just means softening the otherwise hard-necked Russian Rocambole.
Rocambole, yeah. And then I just roll it like this for my start, once it's soft. And then basically you just keep adding. And of course, as you're showing, it's always harder to do when you're not being watched or filmed, of course. And then just keep adding as you walk it over, and then just sort of like a French braid.
And you're kind of pulling from behind, I see.
Yep, you pull from underneath. And then you keep adding where you pull it from. And of course it's going to be loose because I've got witnesses this time.
And it forever proves that you can braid stiff-necked Russian Rocambole Garlic. Everyone thinks that you can't do it otherwise, right?
Well, exactly. And, I mean, it's not my best, obviously, but you can see it's reasonably fast once you've taken the necks.
Yeah, it looks pretty straightforward.
And if you store it in a dry, cool area with no sun, it should keep for quite a while.
Apart from looking absolutely gorgeous in any kitchen.
Yeah, well, sure. And then there you have it.
We're at the Morgan Sheep Farm on Galiano Island. SheaMorgan. Doesn't that look good? And you probably got too many orders for these, right?
Oh yeah.
Too many orders, you've got more orders than you have garlic.
And there you have it.
Fantastic, look at that.
I don't know how long that took, maybe 4 or 5 minutes?
No, that took under a minute, Shay. That was amazing. Thank you so much.